Hey guys, I'm playing zombies on Black Ops with Sons underscore with underscore guns with Z's at the S's for at the end of Sons and Guns. But he has a Twitch, and so I was on my phone and I subbed her. I followed him, so I wanted to make a video of this. I'm gonna turn on the brightness real quick so you can actually see pretty well. See, it has pretty good quality than the stupid webcam I used to always use. Let me see, go to menu. Here we go. Okay. Maybe I can turn on the brightness on here. I think that's good, right? Alright, comment if you said it was pretty good. I could try to do it. It's kind of dark on my screen, but not really. Just the stairs, kind of. I'm on PSN, by the way. I just wanted to make a video because I can't wait until Black Ops 2 comes out. I guess this is a commentary about Black Ops 2, and just excited for it. And you know how everybody is for zombies, zombie campaign, all this other crap. Somebody's watching this window right now. We're playing Kino. You can't see that, can you? I'm trying to show you it. You won't be able to see it. I'll just show you their names at the end of the video. Alright, so I'm gonna be talking to them, and I'll be talking to y'all and stuff. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy this. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm making a commentary right now for my YouTube about Black Ops 2 and how I'm excited for it. I saw y'all playing 5. I hate that map so much. You only made it to 15. That's my highest. What? What?
Time to meet the butcher meatbags. What is this?
What?
Yes! Yes, my pretty!
G11 beast mode. I hope they don't have the G11 in Black Ops 2. This gun is horrible, really. Low max ammo. Chucking all my grenades. Ooh, Commando. I have Commando and CZ regular. Dang, child, what's your connection like? Oh, 1,600 points. 1,600 points we're gonna get. Oh my god. I hope. Come on, give us the other one. And then give us the Rex. That's lame. It would troll us like that. I got the money, money, money. I'm about the box. Nah, I'm just playing. Oh yeah, with CZ, it's good. I have a Commando already, so I'm happy. I'm happy and I don't even really want to show it. I might get the Bowie knife just to knife zombies. Okay. Got the money, money, money. I'm just gonna get the Bowie knife so I can just knife him easily. And just get a whole bunch of points. Got the money, money, money.
Sounds like the handiwork of the masons.
Knife. Get knifed. Get knifed. Heck, I'll get way more points if I shoot at least. What the hell are y'all talking about? Okay, I would've got the ray gun.
Samantha, didn't I teach you a lesson about this? I can't be sure, but I sense it under ingredient rots your mind. I like the funny noise it makes. Taste my menacing squishy piece. How dare you touch the doctor? Try not to die. A gift from Sam. But why?
Ray gun. Ray gun. And the commando. So I have really good guns. And I already have speed and jug. I'm about speed. Okay, this thing's lagging or something. There's zombies that just walk and then they stand. They're like retarded. More than they usually are. They're just like trying to hit me. Okay, this thing is totally glitching out. Because these zombies are like messed up. Oh, I forgot I could get monkeys. Oh, I just barely bought it. Aww. God, dude, you can't even fucking knife these zombies. God. You can't even knife the zombies with a Bowie knife. It's like it freaking doesn't even hit them. I better get out of here. Yeah. At least you don't get nukes. I had to. Good thing I did too.
Vodka for everybody! Race out to your death! Leave me be!
Ooh, RPK.
Such a beautiful tool of death.
RPK and ray gun. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no.
Did you feel it? Oh, I hope.
RPK and ray gun. What?
Gonna be any puppies chew toys.
I'm pretty sure I can knife almost with the Bowie knife. Yup. Get knifed. Get knifed. Get knifed. Get knifed. Get knifed. Alright, well, well guys, so I haven't been talking, but I've been talking to Lynn, and I've been concentrating, you know, I'm gonna mute my mic until, 15, unless they ask me something. So, I just wanna, I'm not really good at commentaries, because I don't really do any that much. I'm trying to get a Dazzle from Best Buy for $50, so I can, so I can make videos, not like good quality, but you know, good enough where I don't have to use my iPhone, which I think is lame. Pretty sure y'all will laugh at me, but you know, that's your problem. And you know, just deal with it. Sub, please, because I have 30 subs. I'm trying to get up there in subs, but I know I'm not a big name. I want to get a big name in zombies and 2K12 videos. Or 2K12, any basketball videos. 2K13 mostly because it just came out. And then Black Ops 2 for sure. I know it comes out before Christmas, but when if I get enough to get a Dazzle, you know, I'll end up getting a Dazzle. I need a computer where I can just use my brother's to render now. I think you have to have them just to make videos, apparently. I think somebody told me. But still, I can get that. So yeah, if you want to play with me on PS3, I'll put my name in the description. I'll put their names in the description. I'll put a link to his Twitch. I don't know, because I watch them on my iPhone, so it won't be as good, so I'll have to like put twitch.tv and put backslash and all that crap. I think I'm pretty average at zombies. The PC, I think I'm pretty good. I don't know, just the way I control. I'm not saying I'm really good. I'm like a little less than average, but on here I know I'm at least over average in between. I know I'm at least over average a little. Got it. Oh shit. I'm gonna get.
What could be better than the MP40?
Hell no. I just wanted to let y'all know. Sub, because I will be doing commentaries when I actually get a Dazzle. The Dazzle is a really good recording thing, apparently. Robbie, this guy, I mean, 2K videos told me that they used him and his brother, because it's called Two Bros Gaming, him and his brother, he said they used to use that. It was only $50 at Best Buy, so I was like, sweet, that's easy to afford, especially after Christmas, and then my birthday's right after. In a few weeks, so I'll get at least $50 for my birthday, hopefully. I'm getting the hell out of here.
Oh, I hope you.
Like I said, I think I'm pretty average at zombies on PS3. On Xbox, I've played it, so it's pretty much the same thing. So I think I'm average on zombies on console. On PC, I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if I'm probably below average, just a little bit. Because, like, the way I use my thing, sometimes the way I use my, it's hard to buy something. There's a commando. God, oh my fucking, wow, I have an HK too. Man, I swear to God. Man, I hate this game so much, dude. I had an HK. I just pretty much lost Jug, Mule Kick, and Speed. That's dumb, dude. This game's dumb. Dude, I shouldn't have went down. This game's dumb, dude. I got freaking trapped, even though there was an instant kill. These zombies don't fucking die when you knife them. You knife them, they don't even die. It's so fucking annoying. I knife them with the freaking Bowie knife and they don't even die, so it pisses me off. This game is dumb. That's why they didn't fix all the fucking shit that was dumb on this dumbass game on Black Ops 2. Black Ops 2 better be better than this shitty ass game. Trying to get some points back to get speed at least. Well, anyways, I just had to tell him that was gay because you saw me go down because that, I don't know, because I got trapped even though I knifed him. The Bowie knife apparently is not aimful. So, I still play Black Ops. I usually play 2K13. Maybe I'll make a video for y'all. Just to show y'all my, I don't know, play. I already have some videos. I have a video of my player with my friend and his friend.
The life has been drained from that one.
I hate the Nova Gas ones, they're freaking annoying. I need to go get speed. Man, they're lucky they have a freaking thunder gun. All I can say is that Black Ops is pretty good, but just the way the game is, where you get stuck in between zombies or some shit. I don't know. All I know is that sub to my YouTube, you know. God want to, it'll be on the, because you're watching it on my channel, ha. So if you're already a sub of mine, tell your friends about me, tell them I'm trying to get noticed, and then, tell them to sub to me or create an account and then sub to me and I'll sub back, sub for sub. Most people don't do that, but I will if you sub to me. Most people don't, so you're lucky that I'm doing that. So I don't really care anyways. I mostly only watch some little people's videos. I've subbed to a lot of people. I don't even watch their videos anymore. And so, go to this guy's Twitch and follow him. And if he has a YouTube, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure he does. I don't know. I'll ask him. And then, yeah, I'll tell y'all what it is. I'm not really a commentator, but, I want to get into that. And then do some Skype calls with people. Hopefully figure out how to do all that stuff. Because none of that even makes sense to me. How you do all that stuff where you can talk when you're using Skype. Unless you just plug the thing into your computer. I'm trying to get real kick again so I don't have to use these two guns. I need at least enough to get a gun, a box weapon, but I don't really want to. I want to try to get just the MP40 off the wall. Heck, I even want the MP5, that'd be good to have. Okay, good. I have a lot of money now, so I can still get MP40, even if I don't get something good out of the box. I'm only 13, so I don't have the money to, get all that stuff. I don't have a job yet. I could have worked at Browns on 14, which is an ice cream place, but I don't know. I don't have the time. I have homework. I have to play the game, make videos. I ever do. And then pretty much, yeah, I'll be busy a lot, so I won't have time to. I won't have time to. I was gonna say. I don't have time to. Well, I don't have time for a job because even on the weekends, 'cause I gotta make videos. Then I'm gonna be making videos most, especially on the weekends. I might make one video when I get home. Probably not though. Probably only on the weekends because my parents don't let me on the laptop no more. Because I messed it up and that's why I can't have one. I don't know what's going on with these zombies. Wow, I just got that 2 times in a row. Sorry, I was right by him. I didn't know. I thought y'all were down here. I thought y'all were by him. I didn't know y'all were up there. I was trying to make a commentary. Dang.
What? The voices are louder!
Alright guys, all I know is that I'm not going to be talking to them. I got the AUG, I got a good enough gun, there we go. Got a ray gun, can AUG, use those. So, yeah, I'm going to try to beat my highest round, which is 28, hopefully we can. It's not that hard. This map's actually really easy, like really, really easy. Right now it's only 2 knives to kill them with the butter knife, so let's do this glitch. Just use my ray gun and blast them in their booty. Throw some grenades. All these explosions going on. I'm totally just like protecting these people a lot. I don't know. I hope y'all like this commentary. I'm not gonna end it, but I might not be talking because I'm getting tired of talking and I just want to concentrate on the game. So, see y'all. I'm not gonna be talking no more. You might hear me talking to them, but that's all I'm gonna be talking about because I really want to try to beat my round 28. I went to 29, but I don't know what happened. Kind of lagged out. I don't know. So I kind of got just alright. Sub, like, comment, and tell your friends, tell your YouTubers that make zombie videos and all this other stuff. Like, send this to Yodi Slayer, Predictable Nova. If you don't know who they are, they make zombie videos for PC. So I need to get monkeys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'm not going to end it. You're just going to see me playing. Alright, see you. Alright, what's up? Yeah, I stopped commentating. I'm just going to have it wait for video now, because I commentated for like 30-something minutes on there. Oh wait, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna end this video for y'all, and here we go. See ya. Sub, like, comment.